This is from section 5.3, number 23. We are factoring trinomals. So the first thing I'm going to do in here is look to see, are there any factors in here that I can take out? And it looks like all of these go into, are divisible by 3. So I'm going to take my 3, and it looks like they all have x's, the smallest being x squared. They all have y's, which the smallest y is 4, so y to the 4th. And the z looks like squared is the smallest, so we're going to do z squared. Okay, so 3 goes into 9 3 times. There's 1x left over. Y to the 6th minus y to the 4th is y squared. And z squared is already taken out, so we don't need to do that. Minus, because we have minus here. 3 goes into 12 4 times. We have an x squared and x4, so it's x2. Y to the 4th is already there, so we don't need that. Z to the 4th minus z to the squared is z squared. Okay, we're going to add that to 3 goes into 15 5 times. We already have the x squared. Y to the 5th minus y to the 4th is y. Z cubed minus z squared is z. So this is our factoring of the trinomial. Okay, our second problem is number 30, minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 12. So the first thing we need to do is get rid of this negative. So we're going to take negative. Looks like everything is divisible by 2. So we're going to take the 2 out. And then looks like that's it. So minus 2, because not all of them have an x. Now it looks like we have our x squared, because the negative 2 is already out. This needs to be a positive, so we're going to do a minus 2x. And this needs to be a minus, so we're going to add it. 6. And that is our factored number. Okay, number 40. These are already the same, so that is going to be our first factorization, t minus 3. The only thing we have left is r minus s, and that is our answer, t minus 3 times r minus s. Okay, number 50, we have a cubed minus 3a squared plus 6 minus 2a. So we need to reorganize this to put them all in order. So we have a cubed minus 3a squared minus 2a plus 6. Okay, so I need to look at this problem, and it looks to me like minus 3a squared and 6 would be probably a good thing to go with. Those are both divisible by 3. So I'm going to bring a cubed down minus 2a, and then I'm also going to have minus 3a squared plus 6. So on here, on these two, we are going to do, these both have in common a. So we have a times a squared minus 2. Over here, we're going to do the negative out, and then we will have, both of them are divisible by 3, and then this will be a squared minus 3 goes into 2 2 times. So here we have a common factor. So we're going to take our a minus 3 times our a squared minus 2. And that is our factored trinomial.